Welcome to this video in which we will make the structure of this trolley, and then in the upcoming videos we will be adding the wheels and other accessories. So let's begin. First, open a new part file, select here part and then click OK. A part file will be opened, and here select this top plane, click on sketch, and we are going to make a center rectangle at this origin. Select the Smart Dimensioning tool, specify the length of this side as 600 millimeters. Press enter button. Select this side of the rectangle and specify 1000 millimeter. Now select a line and make here two vertical lines. This is first line, and then we are going to make another vertical straight line. And here we are going to select a center line, and we will make a center line at the center of this rectangle. Then from this point to this point the length is 150 millimeters, and from this point to this point the distance is 250. All right, and now we are going to mirror some entities. So select this mirror entities. In this very window, entities to mirror, select these two solid lines, and we are going to mirror about this dotted line or center line. Check this box and okay. Exit the sketch now. So far we have created this sketch, and now we are going to make 3D sketch. So select here 3D sketch. From here select a line from this point to upside. We are going to make a line. We have to press tab. Okay, so press tab from the keyboard and make a line, and then make a line here. We have to press tab in order to make the vertical line. So press tab, select the line, press tab, and this will enable us to make the line, to make a line here. Delete this previous line because this is in the wrong direction, and correct it here. Okay, so these two lines should be parallel and equal. So select these two lines by pressing the control button and make relation parallel and equal. Now select a line and join these 2 points. All right, so we are going to make a line in this direction. So actually we are going to make a rectangle by making these lines. So don't worry, just make these rectangles. Select the control button, select these two lines, and same relation, equal and parallel. Okay, exit the sketch, but we have to specify the dimensions. All right, so edit the previous sketch. Select this sketch and click on edit sketch. Select smart dimensioning tool. We forgot to add dimension, so the dimension of this vertical line is 500 and this horizontal line is 200. Exit the sketch and now make another 3D sketch. Select the line and make here this inclined line on these 2 points. All right, and select smart dimensioning tool. This vertical length is 150. Similarly, this vertical length is 150. Okay, select the line and we are going to make two more lines like this. Do not add relations. Okay, and here specify the degree as 90. Not adding relations mean do not add these lines on the previous points. So we are going to add a relation is equal relation from this point to this point. The distance is 75 and from this point to this line the distance is 100. All right, okay, So what's left? Exit the sketch, go to Weldments now, and select this structural member. And here we need to specify a standard type and size. So the standard is ISO, type is angle iron definitely, and this is the size for the angle iron. Select this group, make sure to select the group, and select this line, this one. Okay, it should be downward, so select this mirror profile, select all of these lines, but this is not correct. We have to change it. Mm, okay, so delete this previous line, and what we are going to do, we have to change the orientation here, and this is the degree, so change it. 90 is not mirror profile, and that's the orientation we need. So that's how you can change it. And by selecting this group window, you can add these lines, and I will show you the profile at the end. So this is the type of the profile that we are going to get. You can change it from here. You can change this type of the joint from here, but this first one is more appropriate for me. And you can check this box. All right, in order to add more uh, profiles, you can edit this previous and add new group here. Just select this line. mm, this orientation is also not proper, and now that's good. By clicking the mirror profile, and in this very window groups, we have to select these lines. Do not select the dotted line. Okay, do not select the dotted line, only select the solid line. And by adding new group, you have to add this vertical line, and here we can clearly see that this is not the joint we need. So we have to uh, properly orient this, select it 180, and that's the proper thing, that's the thing we need. Okay, so that's all right. And what we can do, we can add new group, select this profile, and here we can see this is not the thing we need. We have to properly orient this. So how we can do, we can do it by mirror profile, or we can add these degrees. So 135 degree is proper, as I have done this thing previously. So you have to extend entities. I will show you a little bit later. So add these two as well, and here we can clearly see that we have to reorient this. And you know how to do it, by two options. We have two options for this. By changing the degree, this is not good, and if we can check this mirror profile, now that's proper. Let me show you. Yes, that's the proper profile what we need. By adding the new structural member, we can add this as well. By changing the degree or locate profile and selecting this point, we can reorient it in proper fashion. So check this box, this is good. And moving forward, here you can see this is properly trimmed and extended because I have done this work previously. If you have some extended features, then you have to trim it by using this trim entities command. Okay, all right. So we need to add this structural member as well. This is the horizontal thing, horizontal angle iron. So we have to reorient. As you can see, this is not the proper orientation. We can do it by changing the degrees from here. I think 90 degree will be more appropriate. Yes, that's the profile we need. Okay, so we can add welding, uh, and in real world this can be made properly by adding. Okay, so we are going to mirror some features. So select the mirror, and here we need to specify some plane. We need to select this. I think front plane will be the plane we need. Yes, the front plane. And we have to mirror bodies, not the features or not the faces. We have to mirror the bodies, and in the bodies to mirror window we need to select these features, and we need to select these bodies, and these are mirrored, and we need to mirror one more time. So select the mirror window, select the mirror command, and here we need to select this right plane, and in bodies to mirror window, in bodies to mirror, where is that? Yeah, this is bodies to mirror. We need to select this one and this one. All right, so we are almost done. We need to add here a pipe, because in order to hold it properly, we need to add a pipe. So select this surface and click on sketch option, make a circle here. So let me show you. First, you need to determine the center point, make a circle here, and then select this circle, and dimension is 15. You can change it according to your need and requirements. Select this line, press Ctrl button, select this circle, and make relation as tangent. Then select extruded boss base command, and here select up to surface, and this surface should be selected in order to properly make it. So this is 15 mm diameter rod. You can change it according to your needs and requirements. And now we are almost done with the structure. You can hide these sketches if you want. So I'm hiding these sketches. So we are almost done. We will add some material here. It's up to you. So we will add some more features like tires and some other features in our later videos. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.